Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, hill descent control, tailgate step, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.